1891, and it is a V-nickel. You can barely see the V on there. Just as I was talking about quarters. Man, silver quarter. Okay folks, first hole of the day. Right under this very, very big tree here. And I see some sort of chain. There's a chain connected to like something brass. Huh, it's like a stake. Copper stake with a chain on it. Not sure about this one. Pretty neat though. Okay, I was getting on like a 69 to 71. I just popped the plug. Now look at it. That's like a solid 80, 81 right there. Oh, coin. Coin, coin, coin. Oh my god, it is a memorial. Oh, it's probably a 60s at least. 59 even. 1959D. Very, very, very first year memorial penny. And that was a god-awful signal at first. I thought it was going to be an Indian actually. Might be more. It's probably iron, and that's probably why it sounded so bad. Where'd you go? Yes, it was iron. That's why it did not sound that good. That was it, folks. 1959. Now there's a lot of like cut up aluminum in here. Aluminum, modern aluminum, and like older aluminum, but this signal sounds pretty good. '82, '83. It's saying it's very shallow, but let's just dig a little plug here real quick and see if it's aluminum or if it's a coin. It does sound like a coin, but there's a lot of iron nearby. So let's check her out. Wow, that was like right on the surface. Yeah, just aluminum. Just found this neat little cap. It says Helen Neusch Heronic, made in the USA. Helen Neusch Heronic. Probably pronouncing that wrong. Little 60 to 66 signal here. Alright folks, I got silver. I'm not sure what it is yet. Came right out of here, so only like an inch down. We had a big washout, so there's all sorts of like glass and stuff coming up. Oh, okay, just a Rosie, 1964. Wow, that is a sharp, sharp, sharp Rosie. Oh my word. Let me fill the hole back in. That barely made it. And this is an area that I've absolutely gone over tons of times. But check this out, there's a whole bunch of old glass. Just all sorts of stuff mixed in here. It's been raining so much that it's just washing all out. The sand's just going away. That is an incredibly sharp 64. Oh my word. You can see every single little thing of hair. And it is a D, Denver Mint. Wow, that is mint condition right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Still got that mint shine. Wow. You don't get better than that. There might be more silver. Let's see. Check it out. It could just be like a bottle cap because it's a little choppy. Let's see here. Yeah, it's really choppy. I don't think it's anything good. Yeah, bottle cap. Dang it. Oh well. Alright folks, well that storm jumped up quite quick. I could see it coming and I could hear the rumbling, the thunder, so I got on out of there. I didn't do too bad. Wasn't out for very long. I was hoping to get some more dig time in there today, but unfortunately these storms are getting a little ridiculous every day. Here's a look at the trash. I went back to where I dug that Native American silver, and right in a little, I'd say probably probably about a 5x5 area. Dug a ton of cans and all. I got all the big high tones out of there and dug every target I heard. So there's definitely a lot of trash in there. But just a bunch of old Budweisers, and there's a bunch of burned cans and all, right? Like, there's an area where everything was burned, and right on the other side it wasn't burned, so because it was just a trash pit. Let's see here, down to the goodies. This thing, I'm not sure what it is. I'm really not. It's copper or brass. I think it's copper, but it's got a screw, a thread right there, a thread right here, and a chain. Don't know. Not too sure about that one. Dug a key in that little burned area too. The key is, I scrubbed on it for a while, but can't really get anything off. It looks like a car key, but can't quite tell how old. It looks like something's trying to come through there. Not too sure though. I got a modern dime spill, and I got a state quarter, Illinois. This little doohickey, throw it in the scrap pile. This is part to a toy car, and I know that because I found about 1,000 pieces of the exact same toy car that got shredded by a lawnmower, and that is another piece of it. Some of the better finds up here. I'm not sure what this is yet, but it says Helen Neusch Ferenic or something like that. Neuschfer Incorporated. Helen Neuschfer Incorporated. It's a little cap. Probably off lipstick. And I also got a 1959D Memorial. That's the very first year. That'll go in the clad pile. And a absolutely stunning 64 silver. That is like mint condition right there. It is gorgeous. The back, you can see a little bit of wear on the back, and it is a D-mint mark, but the front of that thing is absolutely stunning. There are like 2 scratches going sideways on the reverse, but the obverse is gorgeous. Oh, well, wasn't out for very long, but unfortunately the weather is not cooperating, but dug a lot of holes and got some good things out of it. So thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you on the next.